Hello, hello. Today I want to show you how to install Node.js on your macOS and although how to install a Node version manager so that we are able to install different versions on one computer and being able to switch between them easily. Yeah, let's just get started. Just go to the website nodejs.org and then you already get two options. You can install the latest stable version or the current version, which contains some experimental features. So if you want to try them out, go for V15. If you want to go with the latest stable version, it's recommended for most users to go with this V12 here. And if you click on downloads, you also get other downloads provided, like for Windows or Linux or whatever. And yeah, so let's just go for the LTS. Yeah, so I downloaded before, doesn't matter. Just open it. This package will install v12.19 and the Node Package Manager v6. Just install it here. Agree to the terms and conditions, install it. Let's just wait. Okay, it's done. Yeah, so basically we can close it, move it to the bin, and then let's just verify that the installation was successful basically. So just type in node --version, and then we get v12.19. There's also like a shortcut, so you can just type in node --and v, and we get the same result. And for NPM, we can do it the same. It's 16, or we do npm --v for the shortcut, and we get the same result. All right, so our installation was successful, and there is a tool called Node Version Manager. If you type it in here, if you Google it, you get like a link to the GitHub page. And as I mentioned earlier, this Node Version Manager is about that you can install several Node versions. And depending on the project you're working on, you can just switch between them. It's a really handy tool. I use it a lot. And although if you want to experiment with the latest version with the current version and just try out new features, then you can just switch to it without uninstalling Node.js and install it again and so on. Here, in order to install it, we need to execute this script here, and you can choose between getting it with curl or rejet. So it's up to you. I will just go for this curl here and execute it. Okay, I already have it installed. It doesn't matter. All right. Yeah, and it was complaining that it was not able to append this export here to my bash profile because it doesn't have permission for it. So in this case, it's like a very common case here. I have to edit manually or provide the file the permission so that this script is actually able to install it there. And yeah, but I'm using this the shrc file. I actually don't use this bash profile from this point of view, I need to edit manually anyway. And you just have to open this one if you use it. And I will just go with Nano. And then here I already have some other stuff here. Some bins for Dino or whatever here, is Conda installation and so on. All kind of stuff. The lines which are related to the NVM were added here. So if you haven't installed NVM before, then and it was not added to your bash profile or any other file here which you're using for your bash, and then you need to add it manually. So just copy it here and paste it into your file, and that's it actually. And then you can test if you already have it installed. So just type in NVM and -v, and then yeah, you get like a list of commands. And as you can see, this -v doesn't work here, so you have to add version. And yeah, but as you can see, it works actually. So our installation was successful. And yeah, as you can see, we get all kind of commands here. And the one which are important for us is, let's say we want to install, we just installed 12.19, right? But we want to install the current version. So we can do that by NVM install 15 dot, which one was it? .0.1. Okay, it's installing, downloading it. Okay, so we are now using this one. However, I want to see like what kind of Node versions I have installed, and I can do that with NVM and then ls. And this shows me all the available Node versions I have installed. The current version I'm working on right now is the v15. Let's verify. All right, that's true. But actually, I want to go back to the LTS, right? So I do NVM use v12.14.1. Okay, now I'm using this one here. And let's verify. Node -v. Okay, it's this one here. So it's actually not the LTS actually. There's a newer version already, but it doesn't matter. You got the point, right? So you can actually jump between the Node versions. This is, as I mentioned already earlier, important for or really handy for when you want to, for example, check new features with the current Node version. Or if you work between projects, right? And one project requires a different version than the other ones because of some dependencies. So you can easily switch between them without uninstalling and installing the Node versions. Yeah, great. That was about installing Node, and I can really just recommend to get NVM, the Node version manager. All right, see you guys.